Good afternoon, everyone. It is Nisreen Hawley with Berkshire Hathaway Home Services in Sedona, Arizona. Today, I am in the village of Oak Creek in the Las Piedras subdivision. This subdivision has luxury townhomes. I'm going to take you through one that is so nicely updated, probably one of the nicest ones I've ever seen in here. So let's go take a look. I love this private entryway. You've got a beautiful screen door here. And then I love the front door. It is red for your good fortune. Nice, beautiful wood door. You step into a very majestic entryway. It is such a nice space and an elegant way to separate it so you're not walking right into a living room. Here is the living space. It's really a very good use. You've got almost 1,700 square feet here, and it's such a nice layout. Love the high-end window coverings here. And by the way, this house is all new windows and sliding glass doors. So I'm going to point out some of the features to you that you may not find in these other units. The custom tiled fireplace, really nice work there. And I love nice neutral colors. Here in the dinette area of the kitchen, you've got a double-doored pantry, tons of shelves, lots of space in there. This sliding glass door out to the back patio, super private. You are not looking right into somebody else's yard. Nobody's looking right into your yard. I love that. Stone countertops. Got custom tile work on that backsplash. It's really nicely done there. You have a stainless steel sink. Nice deep sink there. You've got high-end and very new appliances. These are not the original ones. These have been upgraded. So gorgeous, just like new, move-in ready. And we're going to go into the primary bedroom, which has its own little entryway, its own little separation from the living space that I love. Again, a brand new sliding glass door. Got honeycomb shades there. I love those. They're so easy to maintain. They are energy efficient. Beautiful addition. And the primary bathroom. When you come in here, you'll notice there's a lot of cabinets, storage space here. A huge closet. Just a ton of room in here for your things. And like I said, it's such a great use of space. You've got mirrored closet doors, which I love, so you can full length, see yourself when you're dressed up. And this walk-in shower, tiled so nicely, even the inset. Same thing with the tub surround. You don't have the little plastic surround. I love the tile work. Dual vanities, private water closet. So let's go out and look at the other bedroom, which this is a split floor plan. So it's completely opposite, nice and private. So your second bedroom is on the other side of that majestic entryway. Look at those windows up there. I just love the look of that. And the second bedroom is quite large as well. You can put plenty of furniture in there. You can make it however you like for like a guest quarters. There is another large closet right here. And then the pass-through to the second full bathroom. The big walk-in shower. Gorgeous new fixtures. I love the trim on the window there. And this is so nice, the office space that's built in right there. You could close it off if you wanted to make it a little more private, but I like that it's open that way. Full-size washer and dryer in the laundry room, more cabinets for storage, and an attached garage, and not a tiny attached garage, a big attached garage with storage cabinets, with a sink, with a bump-out area here where you could add more like a workbench, which is kind of a unique find on a townhome to have a garage that large. But really, one of my favorite things about it is this back patio. It's covered, it's private. You've got greenery today. Look at the beautiful colors of the leaves changing. And you can get some Red Rock view there. This is such a tranquil, serene space. Gorgeous, gorgeous, and super affordable by Sedona standards. Definitely you want to make an appointment to check this out. It's 30 Colinas and beautiful clubhouse and pool. Forgot to mention that. A must-see.